What's up? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, today we got a couple of bad watch faces for you all to check out. Now, both watch faces are coming from Facer. They're nice, but you're going to be able to get these out of the Gear Manager store. I will leave a link in the description down below. And right now, both watch faces are free. And you know how the story goes. Download ASAP, because I do not know how long this watch face is going to be free. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's check out this watch face. Now, the name of it is called the Grid V2. I like this look, I like the design. Definitely it's geared toward fitness. But yes, for the weekend, this would be a nice wear if you're going to be dressed down casual or you're going to be running and walking over the weekend. And yes, you can use this over the work week as well. Now, looking at this watch face, up at the top, which is unique, you have animated seconds. You come down, you're going to get the day of the week, your month, your date. Right up under that, you will get your digital time. Come down a little bit more, you're going to get your weather. Right next to it, to the right, you're going to get your heart rate information, and it's going to let you know your heart rate status. Now, if you look up, you will get your step info as well. Now, right at the top, you will get your battery percentage. So all in all, I like this. I like the black background. I like the look and the design of this one. Definitely something different and unique. Now, one thing you can do is you can triple tap, and it'll allow you to go in and customize the color theme. So we're going to take a look at a couple of colors that you can color coordinate this to. Like, let's check out this blue. It'll get around real quick. So that's going to be your look. So you can customize it to the color that you're wearing for the day, right? Which isn't bad at all. So let's try another color just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for. Something different. Let's try this green. See, the green looks really, really nice depending on what you have going on for that day. Let's try again. Got to tap 3 times and it should come right up. I didn't tap it right. I keep doing it twice. There we go. Let's try it again. Let's get a different color. Something a little loud. How about that one? Now this is reddish. So this is not bad for a casual wear, and it's free for the taking. So yes, check this one out. Now I got one more bad watch face for you all to check out. So remember, don't go nowhere. It's free as well. All right, you all, watch face number 2. It's called RZ112. I like this look for a digital fitness watch face. I thought this one was worthy of a review. Now make sure you download ASAP, because this one is also free, and it's also coming from Facer as well. But you'll be able to download this one out of the Gear Manager store. Remember, I'm going to leave the link in the description for both watch faces down below. All right, with that being said, let's check out this watch face. First of all, I like it. It's geared toward fitness. The font is a little bit small, but I still think it kind of works. You're going to get your nice big bold digital time. You're going to get your battery info. Up at the top, you get your heart rate, your weather info. You come down, of course, you're going to get calories burned. You're going to get your date, and you're going to get your goal completed as well. Now, you have a little animation going around the bezel of the watch, which I thought was a nice touch for a digital free watch face. Now, it does have some features and functions. Now, what's unique about this one, for me anyway, because I'm just getting back to Facer, is that Facer normally doesn't have watch faces that are interactive. This one is interactive, and I thought it was pretty slick. So if you want to set your step goal, you can. This is up, this is down, depending on how high you want to set your step goal. And I can tap on the weather, and I thought that was different, because you can never get the weather on any face or watch faces. At least you used to couldn't. And yes, if I want to, I could tap in the middle and I could customize the color theme of the watch face. So let's change it to a different color. Let's go over a little bit, something different. Let's try this blue. Now, the blue doesn't look bad. So whatever it is you're wearing for the day and you want to color coordinate, or you want to pick your favorite color, you have many, many colors to choose from. So I thought the developer really did a great job with this one. Now, what I do like about this, most of all, is that you can customize the background. Just tap, and you can change the background theme of this watch face to many different colors, which I thought was awesome, which is something that's also different out of a face to watch face. Now, all you got to do is download them and you'll see for yourself. Not all of them are able to get customized to this degree. So that's why I thought this was a great watch face to review. I thought you guys would like it. And with that being said, that's going to be it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.